everyone, I'm Susan from Jiangxi Linsing Diamond Tools Company Limited. Today, I will introduce our company's hot-selling products, diamond reinforced concrete wire saw.
So, what is the diamond reinforced concrete wire saw?
It's currently a very popular diamond tool for reinforced concrete cutting. It's mainly used for cutting steel concrete buildings, including but not limited to the large beams, load-bearing columns, and large piers, bridges, floors, concrete load piles, etc.
The wire saw for cutting reinforced concrete is composed of three parts: beads, steel wire, and rubber connector. The bead serves the purpose of cutting, while the steel wire loop and rubber connector are used to fix the bead. The main dimensions of the steel mixed wire saw are 11.5 mm times 40. 11.5 mm is the outer diameter of the steel mixed wire saw beads, and 40 means that there are 40 beads per meter. What are the advantages of using a diamond wire saw to cut reinforced concrete buildings?
Using a diamond wire saw to cut reinforced concrete will not generate a lot of dust, noise, and will not cause destructive harm to the geology and ground. So this technology has become a new type of environmentally friendly new construction method of cutting and demolishing.
This kind of cutting method can change the cutting angle more casually, more efficient and fast cutting efficiency, and more diverse cutting scenes. The diamond wire saw become a sharp tool for cutting reinforced concrete material.
In the process of reinforced concrete cutting, how to improve the sharpness and the service life of reinforced concrete wire saw is a problem that all diamond tools manufacturers are facing. So, what are the advantages of Linsing's diamond wire saw?
Stability of raw materials. Most of Linsing's diamond powder is purchased from Zhongnan Diamond. Since we are its star customer, some diamonds are exclusively customized for our company's special purpose. And in order to ensure the stability of raw materials, the company is equipped with professional raw material quality inspection equipment so that quality control can be carried out at the source. Strict and meticulous production process. Every step of Linsing's wire saw production has strict and detailed operation instructions, and the workers must follow the operation instructions to standardize their work. With extremely strict control of every step. Perfect quality inspection system. Every step of wire saw production in Linsing Company is equipped with quality inspectors to strictly control the quality of semi-finished products produced at each step. And the finished products also adopt a full quality inspection system. Responsibility for product quality is assigned to everyone, making the wire saw production process standardized and traceable. Advanced management methods allow the factory to produce qualified reinforced concrete wire saws. Continuous upgrading and improvement of products. Linsing's professional sales staff and application technicians will assist customers in product tracking and testing, and provide data feedback according to the actual cutting effect of the product. In addition, we have a professional technical team to improve the formula to ensure that the products used by customers are continuously upgraded and the cutting performance is improved. Perfect after-sales system. If there are any quality problems with the products, we have a good after-sales system which aims to help customers solve problems.
All in all, our aim is to provide customers with reliable and high-quality products. Do you encounter various problems with cutting with the wire saw, or are you looking for a qualified reinforced concrete wire saw now? Welcome, contact Linsing. We will provide you with warm and thoughtful service at any time so that you can rest assured to buy and use.